So welcome guys to my YouTube channel. So today we'll be learning how to unzip a file here on Windows 11 or a file that is protected with password. I'll be teaching us how to unzip the file right here on our Windows 11. So we're going to go ahead to our file manager and locate that file. So this is the name of the file I'll be unzipping, and it is .zip. So I will just go ahead to my Windows to open this. I'm going to go ahead to search for my application I'm using to unzip, and it's called win dots or win rar or win rar. So if you don't have this application, you can go ahead to your Chrome web browser or Chrome desktop browser and download and install the application. It's a very light app and the best application for unzipping on your Windows 11. So go ahead to open this website or run an administrator. The next thing to do is to locate the file you are unzipping. So this file is not here. I can go ahead to just check for it from here, or I just simply drag and drop the file from wherever it is. I'm going to be clicking this and I'm going to be dragging this here. I'm going to place this here and drop this here. So the next thing to do is to double tap on the subfolder there, and they're going to ask you for a password. So the next thing to do is to click on or type the password that is actually needed, or the right password for it. So cap locks on, I just switch that off to type the password, which is done tech. So after this, I click on OK. So you can see the application has actually been open, and you can find whatsoever here. And you can see I got my application open and I've unzipped this file here. So you can go ahead back to this and you find your don't zip, and once you open, you can find like the zip is actually opened right now, or you can click on extract to. So I've opened that, and this is how to extract the file. So go ahead to extract to and locate where you want the file extracted. So when you click on documents, or let's say downloads, because that's where it was before. So extract and replace files if you want to, then click on OK. So they're going to ask for the password, and do I want to replace? You can click on no. So go ahead and close. So let me just go ahead and click on extract. So let me place it in a very, let me put this here on desktop. So it's very easy, and click on OK. So I'm going to type my password again, done, check as a password, and click on OK. So the extraction should be complete by now. And once I go here, I should find my package. So here is it here. There is my application or my zip file that I just finished unzipping here on my system. So this is how to do it. Like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much.